Today we're making Easter hot cross buns, full of zesty orange and juicy sultanas. We start by adding flour, sugar, yeast and salt to the bowl of a stand mixer. Next we add milk, butter and orange zest to a jug and place in the microwave to heat until hot. Add the liquid to the flour mixture and mix together using the dough hook until just combined. Then stir in an egg and knead the mixture for about 5 minutes using the dough hook attachment. Once that's kneaded, add in cinnamon and sultanas and mix together until the sultanas are evenly distributed within the mixture. Place the dough in an oiled bowl. Don't worry, it's supposed to be sticky at this point. Cover with cling film and then place in a warm room for about 1 to 2 hours until doubled in size. Tip the dough out onto a floured surface and then give it a good knead to knock the air out of it. Then divide the dough into 19 portions. You can do this by eye, or you can weigh the dough and then divide it by 19 and measure out individual portions. Mine were about 55 grams per portion. Shape each of the portions into a ball, tuck in any of the edges underneath. So that's the hot cross buns all shaped, and now I've placed them on a baking tray. Left a little bit of room around each of the buns because they will expand as they prove, and they'll expand again a little bit further whilst they're baking in the oven. So we're going to prove these now for about another hour in a warm room, and I'm going to put a carrier bag over the top, and that will help with the proving process. It'll help to keep the warm air in, and it'll stop them drying out as well. Now the buns have proved, we're going to make the paste for the crosses. So mix together 3 heaped tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and 5 tablespoons of cold water, and then pipe crosses onto each of the buns. Place in the oven to bake for 20 minutes until golden and risen. Once cooked, brush the tops of the still warm buns with warmed marmalade.